In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tax included on Shopify. First, open your Shopify admin. If you land somewhere other than the main dashboard, click Home so we're starting from a familiar place. From here, look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where all store-wide controls live, including how prices and taxes show up to your customers. Inside Settings, select Taxes and Duties. This page is organized into a few sections, so we'll move through them methodically. Start by opening the tax service area. If you see any prompts or highlighted links that guide you deeper into tax controls, go ahead and follow them. They simply expand the options we need. Next, head into Tax Regions. This gives you a quick view of where your store collects taxes. It's useful context because the tax included message is often tied to regions where prices are traditionally shown with VAT or GST. We're not changing regions here, just confirming you're in the right place before adjusting how prices display. Now, return to the tax service section to continue. From there, open Duties and Import Taxes. This area handles cross-border duties, but it also links to the global preferences that affect how tax messaging appears on your storefront. Choose Global Settings. Here's the key control. Look for the option that shows prices with tax included. Wording can vary slightly, but it typically says something like Include Tax in Prices or Show Prices with Tax Included. Turn that off. Disabling this setting removes the tax included label from product and cart pages, while still allowing taxes to be calculated and shown at checkout when applicable. Click Save. If you see the same toggle or a confirmation of display preferences elsewhere on the page, switch it off there as well and save again. Some accounts surface this preference in multiple places, and saving twice ensures the change sticks across your store. A few quick tips before you wrap up. After saving, preview your storefront in a private or Incognito window to make sure the tax included text is gone. If you sell in multiple markets, remember that display preferences can vary by region, so confirm the change in each market you serve. Also, keep in mind that local regulations may require tax-inclusive pricing in some countries. Always follow the rules for your customers' locations. Finally, if you use a custom theme or a translation app that hard-codes tax messaging, you may need to refresh your theme cache or republish for the change to reflect. That's it. Your storefront should now display prices without the tax included label, while still computing tax.